Hey guys, it is Tuesday, February 18th. We just had a great long weekend. So, I don't know what everyone did, whether you relaxed, whether you cleaned, whether you got out, you spent time with family, whatever you did, hopefully it recharges those batteries. So, what are we doing today? We're giving away 2 more tickets to the BC Home and Garden Show. How do you win these tickets? It's quite simple. You have to go to YouTube. Once you go to YouTube, type in Ridgewater Homes. You'll see our logo. Click on it. Once you're into our page, you can hit that subscribe button. And now you're a member. And you will have your chance to win tickets like this to different events, to different shows, to different things happening. We'll be giving everybody that becomes a subscriber a little gift packet as well. So go down, subscribe, and we'll see you there. There's gonna be some great content. We're gonna be doing DIY stuff. We're gonna be doing custom homes, renovations, heritage. We're gonna be answering your questions through videos. So, how to install a sink. We'll show you how to install the sink, how to install a toilet. Simple things that we find, but other people might not. So that's what this channel's about. Plus there'll be some fun stuff as well. Now, to our draw for these 2 tickets. Where did I put the name? Okay. Okay, our winner is Justin, but Justin can't win because Justin's already at the show as an employee of ours. So, Justin, sorry, we're gonna have to go to the next person. But I appreciate you joining and becoming a member. Right on. So, our next winner is AJ. AJ, I will send you a message of where you can get your 2 tickets. We hope to see you down at the show. If you haven't gotten your tickets and you don't want to subscribe, come down to the show anyway. It's a great show. Come say hi to us. Come talk to us. There'll be lots of great things happening. There'll be great speakers like Brian Baumler. Come see him for some great advice. Come talk to us as well. We'll give you great advice and tips on your next project as well. So if you want tickets, subscribe or come down to the show. See you guys later. Have a great day. Before I go, we'll be doing another live draw tomorrow, live from BC Place. So stay tuned, probably around 4:30-ish, 5 o'clock. We'll be doing another draw for 2 tickets to the BC Home and Garden Show. So, subscribe, and we'll see you there. See ya.